Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to perform predictive analytics with Perplexity AI. This tool can help you forecast trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by first of all signing up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now go to the top right corner and select API section. Here you need to select docs and then select get started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will grant you access to Perplexity AI's predictive analytics services. Next, set up your development environment. Ensure you have the necessary libraries and dependencies installed to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Prepare your dataset for predictive analytics. This could include historical sales data, customer behavior data, market trends, or any other relevant information. Integrate the Perplexity AI API into your application by configuring it to send your dataset for predictive analysis. This involves setting up the appropriate API endpoints and handling the requests and responses. Send your dataset to the Perplexity AI API and receive the predictive analytics results. Ensure that your application can handle the API response and display the predictions appropriately. Review the predictive analytics results provided by Perplexity AI. This can include forecasts, trend analysis, and probability estimates to help you understand future outcomes. Use the insights gained from Perplexity AI to make informed decisions, whether it's optimizing your inventory, planning marketing campaigns, or anticipating customer needs. Predictive analytics can provide valuable guidance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can perform predictive analytics with Perplexity AI, helping your leverage data to derive your business strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.